So, based on what you heard in the recordings and what you see written in the packet, what are some of the sentences that they used in Chinese related to where? So, some of the sentences in Chinese. 你是哪里人？很好。你是哪里人？ What other sentences? 你住在哪儿？美国哪儿？ Anything else?
What's the last character of 你住在哪儿?
This one?
Yeah.
儿
Okay.
哪国人？你是哪国人？
你是哪儿的人?
Yeah, 你是哪儿的人？ Any others? What about the very bottom of the page? Person 1.30. 你家在哪儿？很好。I'm sorry, I didn't hear your question. 家 can be your family or your home. So 你家在哪儿 is where's your home? Okay, 你家在哪儿? Okay, so what word, I figured this out with the last class, not 你, but otherwise, what is the word you see most often in these sentences? 哪儿. Okay, so we have, actually, even more than that, we have 哪, 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 哪. Okay? We have one 你是哪国人, it doesn't have a 哪儿 in there. Okay? But that's okay. So, if we add the 哪 by itself means which, but we add a it means where. Right? Where? What about this one here? Can you guess?
Where in?
Literally, 哪里 and 哪儿 are exactly the same thing. They both mean where. Okay? And it's a personal preference thing. In some regions, 哪儿 is more commonly used than 哪里. In some regions, vice versa. And sometimes it's just a matter of which one you choose at the time. So it's like tomato, tomato. One person might prefer to use tomato. One person prefers to say tomato. One person prefers to say 哪里. One person prefers to say 哪儿. Questions?
Just kind of thinking about if we were to go to like Beijing again, do you think that would be more common for them to say 哪里 or 哪儿?
哪儿, definitely, in Beijing. And if you know someone from Taiwan, 哪里, definitely more common. So there are some regional areas where one is more preferred than the other, but sometimes it's also just personal choice. Okay? So they both mean where. So 你是哪里人? What do you think that sentence means? 你是哪里人? Yeah, where are you from? You are what place's people. Okay? And 你是哪儿的人? The same thing. 你是哪里人? 你是哪儿的人? Same sentence. And it's a very broad sentence. It's where are you from? You could say a country, you could say a state, you could say a city. It doesn't specify which one it is. Okay? This one, 你住在哪儿? Again, not very specific. 美国哪儿? What question do you think that's asking? Where in America? What if I wanted to say, we're in China? 中国哪儿? Good. Oh. 中国 or 美国哪儿? Okay. In that case, you're asking, somebody tells you I live in America, and you're like, yeah, but where in America? You want more specific information. Okay, a little more specific information.